In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your tracking number on Stockx. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to click so you can follow your package from the moment it ships to the moment it arrives. First, open your browser and head to stockx.com. Sign into your account so you're viewing the purchases tied to you. If you use more than one login, make sure you're in the account where you place the order. For the smoothest experience, keep the site updated in a modern browser and avoid private mode, which can sometimes hide session details. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right of the page and click Profile. From there, select Buying. This takes you to your Purchases dashboard. You should see a list of recent orders. Find the specific order you want to track and click it to open the Order Details page. If you have several similar items, double-check the product and size so you open the correct one. On the Order Details page, scroll until you see the Shipping Status section. This area shows where your order is in the process. If your item hasn't shipped yet, you might see messages indicating that Stockx is still authenticating it. That's normal. Tracking information only appears after the item passes authentication and has been handed off to the courier. Depending on the seller's shipping time and verification, this can take a bit, so don't worry if it's not there immediately. Once the item ships, you'll see two key pieces of information under Shipping Status: the tracking number and the name of the courier, such as UPS, FedEx, DHL, or another carrier based on your region. The tracking number is typically clickable. Go ahead and click it to open the carrier's tracking page for live updates, including scan events, the current location, and an estimated delivery date. If the link doesn't open for any reason, copy the tracking number and paste it directly into the courier's tracking page. Keep in mind that scans can take a few hours to appear after a label is created, so early on you may see limited details. Refresh the page later if necessary. Also, if you ordered multiple items, make sure you're on the correct order's details page, since each purchase will have its own tracking number. That's it. Go to stockx.com and log in, open Profile, and then Buying, select your order, scroll to Shipping Status, and click the tracking number for real-time updates. If something seems off or you don't see tracking after shipment is expected, give it a little time or contact support for help. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.